Hey guys, I'm Dariani from MetroPlus, and I'm here to talk to you about health insurance and its costs. I know, I get it. Health insurance in this country can be confusing and expensive, but you need it. There is only one 9-bullet miracle that costs 50 cents. I'm gonna throw a number at you, $68,900. Big money, right? But tell me, would you guess that this is the total cost of a surgery for a torn ACL? Or is it the sticker price of a 2016 BMW 550i sedan? If you guessed the Beamer, you're wrong. But if you guessed the surgery, you're right. That Beamer is gonna cost you about $3,000 less, 66 grand. I guess you can save some money on the Beamer with other options. But when it comes to your knee, you have two options. Knee or no knee. There's no leather knees. Power windows? There's no power knee. Unless, of course, you're Batman. Now, if you have insurance and you need that surgery, you're covered. You'll only have to pay a small portion of the $68,000. And maybe you can start saving money for that Beamer with the money that you're saving because of your health insurance. But having no insurance is like walking around naked, or worse, like wearing something from American Apparel that's flesh-toned. And if you think all insurance is expensive, think again. There are a lot of options in New York's marketplace. Generally, healthcare plans are divided up by metals: bronze, silver, gold, and platinum. Basically, the blingier the metal, the more you'll have to pay for your premium. But the less you'll pay for your copay, your deductible, and your out-of-pocket maximum. Did I lose you? Okay, let's define some of these terms. A premium is a fixed amount, usually monthly, that you're responsible for, whether you use any medical services. In return, your insurer will cover a portion of your costs if you or someone in your plan needs medical attention. But keep in mind, the insurer will still expect you to cover some of these expenses with your money. A deductible. This is the amount you pay out of your own pocket before the insurance company covers any expenses. Here's how it works. You end up at the ER getting stitches after coming home at 3 a.m. from the club and decide you need to open an avocado and slice your hand in the process. No, that never happened to me. If the care you get costs $1,500, then you have to cover that cost because it's less than your deductible. But if you're in the hospital and have $15,000 in surgery bills, you have to pay your deductible. And your insurer will pick up the excess 13 grand. Minus your copay. A copayment, or copay, is a flat fee that you have to pay even after your deductible is paid for specific services like prescriptions or doctor's appointments. So knowing all this, how do you decide on the right plan for you? From a cost-benefit perspective, ideally you want your annual healthcare costs to be well above or well below your deductible. If you have a $3,000 deductible but never spend more than $2,000 a year on medical services, you can probably get away with a higher deductible and a lower premium. But if something catastrophic does happen, you're on the hook for that amount, so it's a risk. If you have that same $3,000 deductible, but regularly spend more than $4,000 a year on doctors and prescriptions, you'd probably be better off choosing a lower deductible and higher premium plan upfront, knowing that you won't have to pay the $3,000 later. And if you're planning on having a baby, mazel tov! Or think you'll need to deal with those health issues you've been putting off, it makes sense to plan ahead and pay for something more comprehensive. It will save money for you and your family as those bills add up. But if you don't have a family, it's fine, no pressure. Unlike my abuela. Dariani, es que yo quiero conocer a mis bisnietos. You can get coverage for like $20 a month. That's less than your weekly Metro card. MetroPlus has affordable plans specifically designed for New Yorkers for less than $10 a month. The new MetroPlus Essentials plan even has options that cost you nothing. Check all of them out at metroplus.org/marketplace.